Good morning, geometry guys. This is Mr. Jeffries coming at you third period. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe, the bell. The assignment was to do some practice work on what we covered on Friday, and probably about 2 people did 2 problems. All right, so number 1, what angles are congruent? Well, this would be 2 and 3. All right, measure angle 1. Well, that's fairly easy. That's 38 degrees. All right, these two would be 180 minus 2 times 38. So what the heck? There we go. So 180 minus 38. All right, so this would be 104 degrees. All right. So basically going right off the notes that we had on Friday. Now, I know some of y'all are like, Friday was a long time ago. Okay. But you have your notes. You have the digital notes. Takes a little bit of effort. All right, number 2. What do we know about the diagonals of a rhombus? They're what? No, not really. Well, they're perpendicular. Bisectors. Now, we could also use this, the upside down T. That's the actual symbol for perpendicular. Now, for people that said that they were all the same, you weren't necessarily wrong, but you weren't also correct at the same time. All right? Because they cut these. Now, because they're perpendicular, that means this is a 90. All right, what angles are congruent? This would be 1 and 4. All right, there are the other 2 angles are both easy to find. Okay, angle 2 is 90 degrees because it is set up right here at this perpendicular bisector. All right. Angle 3 is congruent to that 70 degrees, so it goes like this. And the rest of this would be 180 minus 70 plus 90, which would be 20 degrees. All right. So, should be good here. Moving on to number 3. All right. Now, what do we know about the diagonals of rectangles? They're congruent. That means they're equal to each other. All right. So we would actually set this up like so. Now, don't forget your test is going to be Friday over this material. So, for those that normally are out for test day, y'all need to schedule to be out on Friday. All right, so that is number 3. Number 4, we set up kind of the same way. Plus 3, 2x equals 22. So x is 11. All right. Now, with x being 11, that means RT would be 63. We don't know exactly what 63, but 63. All right. Good with number 4. Does anybody need more time? Other than people watching, let's see. Got YouTube shorts over there. Looks like some football game. Looks like some baseball game. And then most of the people wearing the basketball stuff is doing something totally different. All right. So, on the back, okay, it says to start with angle 1. All right, set it equal to. Well, they intersect. It's equal to 90 degrees. So, 3y minus 6. So, add 6. 3y equals 96. So y equals 32. Now, unfortunately, I forgot to put a spot for what y is right here, but, you know, that's all right. So 180 minus, all right, angle 1, that's 90 degrees, plus 45. Well, 180 minus 90 plus 45. All right. Well, that is 45. So that's what these will be equal to. So this would be 5, 6, 6. This should be 8.5. Let's just double check. 45 divided by 6. Oh, 7.5. I knew it's something like that. All right. Are we good with number 5? Does anybody need more time? All right, moving on to the last one. We only had 6 problems. So, all right, it says start with finding y. Somebody actually set this up for you. Then a lot of people just never got to it. All right, now we know what y is. 2x minus 7 equals 3 minus 9. So this goes here. All right, so x is 5. Now, and that's how you would do these very short problems on here. You know, some people just can't seem to do it. All right, so That's it for our in-class audience. Don't forget, for those watching around the world, don't forget hit like, subscribe with the bell, because maybe one day I can retire and don't have to deal with students in person. Good stuff. Good things. Roll Tide.